Hi everyone, this is my upload for the M3.2 STEM/theme visioning. For my assignment, I wanted to talk about virtual fashion and how that can be related to education and helping students pick careers that have to do with the arts. So a few weeks ago, before I even saw this assignment, I came across this video by Sophia Nagara. She used to be a BuzzFeed reporter and videographer. She used to post videos about a bunch of different topics, but she started her own channel. And in this video, she wore digital clothes for a week. And it's a really cool topic. I just want to play a quick clip of her video for some context.
This one in particular sparked my interest as it was advertising digital fashion with a picture of a bizarre gloved blazer dress. I wanted this dress. I like phalanges, but it seemed like it was only available in a digital version, whatever that means. So I went to this website, DressX, to snoop around a little bit. And it turns out that they sell a huge variety of digital clothes that you can purchase, and they will then Photoshop onto you, ranging from like trendy workout gear to tie-dyed evening gowns to completely gravity-defying avant-garde high fashion. And
So I was really intrigued by this because the concept of wearing clothes that aren't actually on your person is really crazy to me. So I wanted to talk a little bit about DressX and what this company really stands for. There is another video, I'm not going to play it, but it is on the DressX website under About. And essentially their whole mission is to stop major productions of clothes for waste. And they want to, have their clothes be completely accessible at all times without wasting materials that will eventually end up in landfills, which is a really cool idea because of how resourceful and eco-friendly it is. So the reason that I think this would fit into STEM education is having it be in social studies, math, and science. I think for social studies, it would be really cool if students could take a look at some of the designs that DressX has to offer and determine where in the world geographically would be the best place to wear these clothes. Where would it be the worst? I know that Sophia had said that some of the clothes are defying gravity. How would these clothes really look if they were on Earth with us? And how would they flow? How would they move? So bringing in some of those science elements of gravity. I think for math, it would be really cool to analyze the different dimensions of the clothes to see if they could actually be worn in real life. And even though I wouldn't have the technology available in the classroom for students, but possibly having, students design their own and maybe having them print out on a 3D printer would be something really cool. I think students really diving into the concept of eco-friendly clothes and materials starts the conversation of how to be more eco-friendly as a person. And it might motivate some students to want to get into some sort of graphic design, or if they're really into fashion, they can explore DressX and see that they don't have to be very savvy with the sewing needle. They might be able to create clothes based on their technology skills. I think it's so crazy. Like all of these clothes that I'm scrolling through right now are not real. Like this looks so real that this girl is wearing this black top and white shirt. It's completely edited on. And so it can also be cool to get students to use their photoshopping skills and maybe create outfits of people from a different time. I know I'm kind of all over the place because I can't really pinpoint exactly what would be the best use for DressX, but I think there's so many different avenues you can go down, and I think it would be a really great conversation. So this is the video. It's called I Wore Digital Clothes for a Week. And I think I would pair some lessons with digital clothing is the future of fashion, talking about all of the benefits of it. So yeah, I think that this would be a really great resource for people who want to learn more about DressX. And if you want to show your students how they can be more eco-friendly using their clothes. All right, thanks so much. I hope you guys check this out because I found it really cool. Bye.